This is the Boroscope examination of cylinder 5 on the 2006 Volvo XC90 V8 with the Yamaha engine. I'm getting an intermittent cold start only misfire on cylinder 5. That is not as wet as it used to be on top of the cylinder. I've used some AT205 reseal. Maximum dosage according to some is 3 ounces per quart, so I'm at about 21 ounces. It seems to have reduced it, but the boroscope will kind of look up at the articulating boroscope will look up at the valves, and you look and see some evidence of oil seeping through, but not burn valves. This is the boroscope articulated upward, looking at the bottom of the valves here, which look closed and seated, a little oily, but I'm assuming these are the intake, although I don't have the orientation. So that's pulling, and now we're rotating around to the exhaust, which look better, different. So there are no telltale chip or burn signs of the valves, but I'm not that familiar with this type of examination of the boroscope, but I picked it up more from the aviation experts who say this shows more than a compression test, which is hard, not repeatable, very inaccurate with a bunch of variation. But these look not horrible, but any interpretation from the brain trust would be appreciated. And there it is. That's strange wear on that. So, I don't know. Things burning. Well, anyway, I will do an examination of the other cylinders just to see.